This program is used to read n strings using command line argument. Command line arguments means the main function can have arguments. The main functions having two arguments, argc and argv. Argc is argument counter, argv is argument vector. Using these two arguments, we can pass any number of arguments to the main program. That is void main. The main function contains two arguments. First is argc. Its data type is argc. Argc is argument counter. It contains the number of arguments that pass to this program. And second one is char star argv, that is argument vector, and it is a two-dimensional character array, and it is declared as dynamic two-dimensional character array. It can store any number of characters and any number of strings, and each strings may contains any number of characters. Okay, inside this program I am using a variable I. It is for a loop counter. Then I am clearing the screen clr scr. After that I am using a loop for I equals 0, I less than argc. Argc contains how many arguments are passed to this program, I plus plus, and each arguments will stored in the argument vector argv. That is, argv of 0 contains the file name with the path, and argv of 1 contains first argument, argv of 2 contains second argument, argv of 3 contains third argument, and so on. Here the initial value of I is 0, and I am printing printf %s/n for printing in new line argv of I. Here the initial value of I is 0, that is it prints argv of 0. Argv of 0 means it prints the file name. Argv of 1 is the first argument, argv of 2 is second argument, and so on. And at the end of the loop I am using getch. After compiling this program can be executed in command line argument, that is in DOS shell. That is Alt F. There is a menu DOS shell, and it will display like this. Within this I am using the file name. Here the file name is popo, and giving the arguments. Let the first argument is first, second argument is sec, third is third, and next is 4. These are the arguments. That is, in this command prompt I type popo, that is the file name, and it contains 4 arguments. First argument is first, second argument is sec, third argument is third, and the last argument is 4. When I press enter, that for loop will execute. That is, argv of 0 contains the file name, argv of 1 contains the first argument, that is first, argv of 2 contains the second argument sec, and so on. And this is the output. That is, the first argv of 0 contains c:/gc/bin/popo.exe. That is a file name. That is the first argument argv of 0. Second one is argv of 1, it is the first argument, argv of 2 is the second argument, and so on. Thank you.